Hello, and welcome to our comprehensive analysis of Ford Motor Company, ticker symbol F. Today, we'll delve into various aspects of the company, including its current stock performance, key financial ratios, technical indicators, recent earnings, industry standing, analyst opinions, and significant news events. Let's get started. 1. Current stock price and performance trends. As of February 7, 2025, Ford's stock is trading at $9.26, reflecting a decline of approximately 7.4% from the previous close. This drop is part of a broader downward trend, with the stock reaching its lowest level since January 2021. Over the past year, Ford's shares have decreased by about 22%, contrasting with a 22% gain in the S&P 500 index. MarketWatch.com. 2. Key financial ratios. Examining Ford's financial health through key ratios. 1. Price to earnings, P/E, ratio. Ford's P/E ratio stands at approximately 5.5, below the industry average, suggesting potential undervaluation. 2. Forward P/E ratio. The forward P/E is estimated at 6.2, indicating expectations of lower earnings in the future. 3. Price to free cash flow. Currently at 8.1, this ratio implies a reasonable valuation relative to cash flow. Earnings per share, EPS, growth this year. EPS has grown by 35.24% in 2024, reflecting improved profitability. StockAnalysis.com. Return on equity, ROE, is at 7.96%, indicating moderate efficiency in generating profits from shareholders' equity. TipRanks.com. 6. Return on investment, ROI. Ford's ROI is approximately 5.2%, suggesting modest returns on invested capital. 7. Current ratio. With a current ratio of 1.2, Ford maintains adequate short-term liquidity. 8. Net profit margin. The net profit margin is 3.2%, indicating a modest portion of revenue is converted into profit. 9. Debt-to-equity ratio. Standing at 2.8, this high ratio reflects significant leverage, which could pose risks if not managed properly. 3. Support and resistance levels. Technical analysis identifies support for Ford's stock around $9, with resistance near $10.50. The recent decline below the 200-day moving average suggests potential for further downside unless the stock regains momentum. 4. Moving averages. 1. 20-day SMA. Currently at $9.80, indicating short-term bearishness as the price is below this average. 2. 50-day SMA. At $10.20, reinforcing the short-term negative trend. 3. 200-day SMA. Approximately $11, with the current price below this level, signaling a long-term downtrend. These indicators suggest that unless Ford's stock price moves above these moving averages, the bearish trend may continue. 5. Recent earnings reports. In Q4 2024, Ford reported earnings per share of 39 cents, surpassing analyst expectations of 34 cents. However, the company provided a weaker outlook for 2025, projecting adjusted pre-tax income between $7 billion and $8.5 billion, down from $10.2 billion in 2024. This guidance disappointed investors, contributing to the recent stock decline. APnews.com. 6. Industry comparison. Compared to peers like General Motors and Toyota, Ford faces challenges with higher labor costs and pricing pressures. S&P Global Ratings revised its outlook on Ford's debt to negative, citing weaker than expected profitability prospects. MarketWatch.com. 7. Analyst ratings and price targets. The consensus among 14 analysts is a hold rating, with an average 12-month price target of $11.96, suggesting a potential upside of approximately 29% from the current price. StockAnalysis.com. 8. Major recent news. Ford's recent announcement of projected losses up to $5.5 billion in its electric vehicle and software operations for 2025 has raised concerns about its EV strategy. Additionally, potential tariffs on vehicle imports from Mexico and Canada could adversely affect earnings. In response, Ford plans to focus on cost management and strategic adjustments to navigate these challenges. APnews.com. In conclusion, while Ford has demonstrated resilience and strategic initiatives, it faces significant challenges in profitability, particularly in its EV segment, and external economic factors. Investors should monitor these developments closely. This analysis is for informational purposes only and should not be considered investment advice. Always conduct your own research before making investment decisions. Thank you for watching. If you found this analysis helpful, please like and subscribe for more updates on Ford and other companies.